Hello everyone, welcome to today's trends. Today I'll be teaching you how to withdraw your fund from 7DC Africa platform. First, log into your account. I just log into my account. Then go to your dashboard. Click on your dashboard. Then locate your balance. You can see here my balance is my total earning 52,500, while my available balance is 32,000 naira. So click on payout. Before now, you have already added your number. I have added my number, your Nigeria bank number. So you should do so before now. Then put the amount you want to. Then put the amount. Let me put 31,000. Let me put 31,000 naira. Then put your password here. Then click submit. See, my request submitted successfully. So your payout request have been submitted successfully and it will be paid to your Nigeria bank account. Like you see here, I've submitted my to Kuda Bank, Kuda Microfinance Bank. So also find a bank, not student account. Find a good account and also submit yours. So my payout have been submitted. Let me check back. You can see I have the balance sheet I've loaded 31,000 naira. So thank you guys for staying back. In the next video, I'll teach you other things you need to know. Thanks.